Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add copyright symbol in your photos in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add copyright symbol, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose a photo that you want to add the copyright symbol to. Now, to add the copyright symbol, simply click on the share icon and click on export as. And here you'll see options. Click on customize. Here you can see the copyright symbol and my name. I can also change my name from here, just like this. And you can also add as many as copyright symbol you want in your photo, just like this. And once you're happy, go back and you can export the photo simply by clicking here. Now, if we check out gallery, we'll be able to see our photo with the copyright symbol. And just like that, we can add copyright symbols in our photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.